Okay, guys. So this video I'm creating quickly to tell you one single way how you can convert your WebM to MP4. So if you are recording a lot of videos which are in WebM, this particular video is for you because it will give you a very solid technique in which you can instantly convert your videos from WebM to MP4, or for that matter any format to any format. This is gem software which I'm using from past 20 years. I'm not boasting. This software is from past 20 years and it still works like a charm. And nobody else will tell you on the internet. And I am still finding videos, and a lot of videos are there how to convert. There are many methods to convert. But this method, if you are a regular user, this try this method and it will make your life easy as smooth. So this software is known as Format Factory. Okay, sometimes if you are having some firewall or something in your system, then it might be difficult for you to download. So just switch off the firewall, because I'm using it from like 20 years, and this has no virus issues. So from where you will download it, you can download it from File Hippo. I'll tell you. So you have to go to File Hippo. File Hippo is the oldest website which keeps the executive files of literally all the softwares which are free or freeware on the internet. So this is also a gem. I'm using this also from past 20 years. So you go and you just type Format Factory. Now this Format Factory will give you portable or Format Factory executable. You can download any one of them. Portable is a something which you can carry in USB, and it will directly execute without installing the software. So portable is sometimes very good method of doing things if you don't want to use your system to execute anything. So portable is an executable file which run the software in itself. It is a very nice method. So you can download any one of them and install the software on the system. Okay, whatever is feasible for you. Then you will get an interface like this. Okay, so in this it's very easy. Go to MP4, add files. I will take this WebM file, I will open it. File is added, I will click OK, and then this is a green button, magic button of start. It will start you know processing it, and you can do things in batch. You can convert 10 files with one click of the button, and it will directly convert all the files, and it will give you a sound when the task is completed and the pop-up will come. So let's wait for it. I'm doing my other work, whatever I want to do on internet, whatever. After a while, once this software completes the job, it will give you a sound which will come anytime soon while I'm speaking, while I'm entertaining you guys, and the software is working here. See, task completed, and it took 38 seconds to complete this video. And where it is saving it, okay, it is latest version, I know. So from here itself I will open source folder. Okay, so the same folder in downloads folder from where I have completed. So it has completed, and MP4 is there, and it works like a charm. So this was something. And if you want to nowadays, if you will create or generate any video from any kind of AI software, they are using different kind of format to save the image. Plus, if you are using your mobile to click picture in higher resolution, there is new format HREC. I can create new videos for that. It will convert all the formats to JPEG. Just alone, this software. You want to convert it to JPEG or something like that, just drop the files and convert it to JPEG. So this software is a all-around software, and you can do a lot of things with it. Just upload the files and try converting from it. So that were my 2 cents. And if you like the video, subscribe, because these kind of small solutions, when I don't find on internet, I try to make the videos out of them. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.